Hello, my name is Elizabeth Torres, and today I will be talking to you guys about Tourette syndrome. What is Tourette syndrome? Tourette syndrome is a nervous system disorder. It affects the frontal lobes and the basal ganglia island of gray matter in the core of the brain, which are important for accurate control of movement. I added a little picture so you guys can see the place that I'm talking about. These are some MRI scans of Tourette syndrome. So, what are some symptoms? Some symptoms are unwanted repetitive movement and sounds that are better known as tics. However, not all tics are the same. Some examples are repeated blinking, shrugging of shoulders, or blurting out unusual sounds or offensive words. How is Tourette syndrome developed? It is not known what causes Tourette's, however, it is known that it is a result of abnormalities in the development of the brain and nervous system. Treatment. Doctors can prescribe medication and other activities for patients with Tourette's to help deal with their symptoms. However, there is no exact cure to Tourette's. I chose Tourette's because I wanted to bring more light and attention to Tourette's. I have some people in my life who have Tourette's, and I wanted to inform others about Tourette's and learn more about what they go through every day. Some additional information. There are actually some famous people like Billie Eilish and Edie Smith that have Tourette's. I hope you guys learned a lot today. Thank you.